How to attach the crawler tracks to your DT340 pipe crawler. Start by detaching the skid plate from the crawler track by using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Turn the unit on its side and place one of the tracks on the DT340's wheels. Line up the holes on the front of the track to the holes on the front of the wheels. Insert and tighten the 4 screws. Align the holes on the back of the track to the holes on the back of the wheels and insert and tighten the 4 screws. Place the skid plate back on the track and reinsert and tighten the 4 screws. The screws for the tracks and skid plate are the same and are thus interchangeable. Turn the unit onto its other side. Repeat the same process with the other track. Start by removing its skid plate. For more tips and guides, visit our resources at deeptrekker.com.